Do some different colors now, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna try this one more time, see if they are done. There's all these petals everywhere now. Let's take this guy. Wow, look at that. Oh, these are lovely. Okay, let's see, what else can we do? I'm gonna put in a little more blue. And a little quinacridone. See what we get here. I think this one will be a lovely color. Oops. Okay, I think this one I'm just gonna like, you know, see what happens here. These little extra petals. I'm gonna use the same piece because there's not too much on there. And I think it's more about the second print than the first of these. Let's push them in really nice and solidly. Yeah, my paper's all broken, but that's totally cool. That's totally okay. All right, so that's actually kind of interesting. Maybe I'll use that for something. Let's get all these off of here before the paint dries. Oops, sorry guys, if I made you dizzy, I apologize. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for a minute. Oh, wow. Okay, let's print something like this on a pre-printed background so it's not white. I want to see what that looks like. What am I going to choose? Maybe that? No, we'll use this one, I think. Yeah, let's go with this one. Oh, I should have done this slightly differently, but we can try it again in a minute. What I should have done is printed this on top of, actually maybe not, it probably would have been just destroyed my paper. These flowers are so thick in the middle part, it's going to be a challenge. Okay, well there's the deli paper. Let's pull these all off. These leaves have such beautiful texture to them. It's pretty incredible. Okay, let's see if I can print this on here. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. These are really like bizarrely beautiful. You can see even in the petals and the leaves, like where the texture, where the paint is going because of the texture. Okay. All right. Well, I think the patterns are kind of competing now. I think if I do that again, I would want a more subtle background. Okay, let's try something slightly different.